Good morning, everybody. I hope you guys are all doing awesome. It is Angela with To Restore You, and I am here today to show you 3 of my favorite new arrivals from Amazon. Actually 4, if you include these. I needed some new eyelets, and I wanted some bigger ones for some more substantial projects. And weirdly enough, in my whole stash, I had none. So I picked these up just to try them out on Amazon. So I'm going to try those out today, and I will include the link so you have it if you want to try them out as well. But I have been working on some pretty significant detailed lap books, and I needed some paper, and I thought, while I love to go pick out my own, I thought I'm just going to do some paper packs, some kits that I could probably just work from, and then add some embellishments. So I am going to show you 3, all from Carta. This is by Stephen Duncan. And a while ago, my 16-year-old said, "Mom, you should write a cookbook." Now, mind you, I am no chef by any means, but apparently he appreciates my cooking. So I thought, he's going to go off to college. We have 4 going off to college in the next 4 years. So what if I did a cookbook kind of based on my personality, and maybe adding in, instead of just recipes from me, but recipes from my mom, my grandma, and have them handwritten. So I have a whole idea of how I want that to happen. But I think that would be kind of fun, and then the kids can have that. But so one thing that I always tell people when we're working on projects together, when you get these paper packs, don't throw this away. I mean, it's not a thick piece of paper, but it's got some beautiful pieces, so don't discard the cover. But these colors, I hope that you can tell, are just, they're lovely. And I love that they did do at least partial zip strips on either one. They're all double-sided, so as you can see, so cute. One of the reasons, the big draw for me, is that I not only do I do scrapbook pages for my family, but I also do a lot of journal books, lap books, and these little journal cards I think are awesome. But if you didn't want those, we got some chicken wire, some roosters and chicks and chickens. It's just so cute. And this one is titled Farm to Table. So more of the journal cards, but I love these. I have a, if you haven't seen one of my craft room walkthroughs, you'll know, you probably don't know this, but I have a lot of like 50s pieces. I do have an old scale, and I have lots of vintage tin picnic baskets that I use for my storage. So this is right up my alley. Some spices and tins. I was just at this is a really pretty, like almost like a linen. I was at an antique store, and I can't believe like how much they're selling those little tin empty canisters for. So if you got them, you better hold on to them. Some old stoves. So cute. Some simple stripes. Of course, everybody loves a ball jar. And this, truthfully, this is the first time I've looked at all of these. Veggies. Oh, I love this. I love the pastels. So just vases. Looks like these are... Oh, look, and they even come with recipes. Well, how about that? How clever. There you go. I've just got 6 new recipes that I don't have to put into my cookbook. I love the bright colors, and I have some really cool, and it's kind of nice because they have the bright colors, but then the bright, and that could be pastels. I love that. Always up for a good plaid. Some frying pans and mixing bowls. And then, oh, and then this is, oh, these are all stickers. And every one of these packs, I believe, I'll tell you in a minute, have a page of stickers. So you can't get, you can't go wrong with that. Adorable. I'm going to pause for a second while I trade these out. Okay, here we are. I'm back. I had a sip of coffee, so all's good. This is their spring pack, and we have we host at our event venue, Harmony Hall in Riverside, a annual farmers market. And this will be year 2, and we've had so much fun with it. Our creative director and I getting it up and running. So I don't know what I'm going to use this for. I perhaps may use it for a garden planner or journal and do that into a flip book. Haven't decided yet. But again, adorable advertisements. This is Carta, and it doesn't say who actually designed this one, but we will see. Journal cards. I love these. I've been practicing my handwriting, and I don't have terrible handwriting, but, to do these fancy things, it's just, it doesn't work for me. Pretty flowers. And some greens. More journal cards. I love these journal cards. Oh my gosh. Some wood grain. I've got a kind of an addiction to muck boots and rain boots, and I have probably 4 or 5 pair. But you have to have them to go with all your outfits, and I love wearing them. They're just so fun. More flowers. Oh, these are just strips, which are fantastic to have. And always, if you're journaling, you can always cut out individual things that you want. Some kind of boho arrows with florals, a little more boho-ish, which is kind of nice. Blending that farmer's market with some boho themes. Some weathered paper. This isn't really busy, but this is like potting shed kind of fun. More wood grain. That's kind of nice that there's some semi-solids in there that you can use. And then some more flowers with a simple, pretty stripe. Some planters. What does that say? Oh, it just has a advertisement on it. A big old green check. Is that the same thing? Oh, that's pretty. That would make a beautiful 12 by 12 layout. Look at all the tags. Oh, how sweet. You just say mama a whole bunch of time. And then this one just has, it's all different kinds of flowers. Primrose, forget-me-not, foxglove, hibiscus, heather. Sweet. And then some flower tracks. And then a whole scene. Well, isn't that sweet? And then my favorite part always is the stickers. Let's see. They've got the whole truck, the bicycles, a couple more strips. Oh, it says Holland bulbs. So sweet. Okay, let's pause this one more time and I'll come back with another. Okay, last one. And this is Country Kitchen. Oh, maybe this is the one I was going to do the recipe book with. I don't know. Maybe I'll just do a combination. We'll see. Just so cute. And I love like vintage advertisements that have, the 50s ladies in the kitchen. I just think those are so cute. So combining that with them will be really sweet. A little farmyard. Look at that little farm. Cute. Some moo cows. These are all milk top labels, if you didn't know. In the day, as my kids used to say in the olden days, they used to deliver milk, and they would have, the tops would have those on them. I think. I don't know, but, I mean, that's what I've been told. Some more roosters and chicken. No, roosters and chickens, yes. Ooh, I like that. And this has a little bit, like, it's not as bright as the last one. It's got almost like a weathered feel to it, so that's kind of cool. Lots and lots of tabs that you can use for tuck points or journal cards. And I bet this is going to have recipes on it. Oh, no, it doesn't. Steve Duncan, you let me down. Thought I was going to get a whole bunch more recipes, which I thought was brilliant. There's a little garden one. Oh, look, I lied. See? It's coming up. Some pretty daisies. That is so cute. More stoves. Some strips. Some more chickens. Oh, some pickling. I don't know about you, but I love to can veggies from my garden. But it does take a long time, but it is pretty satisfying. And, you know, when you can have canned pickles and homemade salsa and pasta sauce all winter long, that is a big win. Just some pretties. Oh, and look how good that's so pretty together. That's just the beauty of it. They do such a great job of bringing everything together. It makes my life easy when I want to get into a project. And then look, there's even some of those little ladies that I talked about. So adorable. But those are 3. Again, I will put a link in the description for you guys, so you can either hop onto our store and get yourself your own pack, or peruse the links that I provide you as well. But again, this one and the Farm to Table are Stephen Duncan's, and Carta is the brand. And then this last one is Spring Market. So a plethora of crafting pleasure for you for today. So I look forward to seeing you next time. If you haven't subscribed, please do so. Feel free to share and comment on your thoughts. And we do have our Facebook VIP group where we are going to be doing lots of fun things throughout the year. So be sure to join that as well. And until next time, just be. Cheers.